can't get my strut top bolts. It's a problem that these things come across all the time. So I thought I'd do a little tutorial, a quick workaround to get that back in when the CVs come apart without having to take the CV out. So, step one, get a ratchet strap, something similar. Chuck it in the hub. Then, a little bit of tension on, and then just try get everything lined up and put a bit of tension on it. Get nice and tight, won't go. 32mm socket and breaker bar. Make sure you cast iron gear. Keep rotating. Fucking Murphy's Law. And she goes. Sometimes you've got to try both directions, but I've never not had it work. So as the CV rotates, the ball thing at the top goes in, and then as you rotate it to the bottom, it stays in, and the top one goes in. Sometimes you go back and forth a little bit, but almost always works. Well, I've always had it work, and yeah, saves you having to remove the CV because the SG CVs, I don't know whether other models are the same, but SG CVs are completely rubbish in their design. They always come apart. SF was good, SG not so much.